Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching Foam, Fashion on My Own. I just love the winters. It's definitely better than the hot summers. But winter comes with its own set of problems like frizzy hair, dry skin and chapped lips. But don't worry, we have some great hair and skincare tips that will take you through the winter. So watch on. Skin can be hydrated in two ways. Internally, by drinking adequate amount of water, and externally, by using products that hydrate and moisturize. Moisturizers that contain honey and cocoa butter are great for skin in winter. If you have oily skin, use lotion-based moisturizers. And if you have dry skin, use cream-based moisturizers. There's a myth that oily skin should not be moisturized. If it's not, then oil glands start producing more oil. Just because you're shivering doesn't mean that the sun rays have gone on vacation. Use of sunscreen is really important. Always remember to apply sunscreen 30 minutes before you leave the house. Sunscreen with SPF 15 or more is generally advisable. In fact, the use of sunscreen should be a part of your daily routine throughout the year. Winter is a time when your skin needs maximum attention. Although the idea of having a bath with piping hot water is really tempting, use lukewarm water. Also, use a non-drying or a moisturizing soap that will prevent your skin from getting dry or itchy. Another thing that you could do is add a few drops of your favorite oil to the water you use to bathe every day. This will nourish your skin and also reduce moisture. Lips require a lot of care in this weather. Look for lip balms with castor oil, olive oil, tea tree oil and cocoa butter. Lip balms with SPF work better. Also, avoid licking your lips as that will make it more chapped. During winter, the varying temperature indoor and outdoor can have a major effect on your skin. When you're having a shower, get into this habit of exfoliating your skin with the help of a loofah. That will help you remove the dead skin cells and make way for new healthy skin cells. Since we hardly sweat in winter, avoid the usage of deodorants that contain high alcohol content. These tend to strip the moisture from your skin, making it dry. Go for alcohol-free products instead. Treat your hair with a nice oil massage. It could be olive oil or coconut oil or whichever oil you prefer. Just remember to heat the oil before applying it. You could do this once a week, which will help retain the moisture in your hair and also regulate blood circulation. Avoid washing your hair too often in winter, as this will not only make your hair and scalp drier, but also promote appearance of dandruff. After a hair wash, it's very important to use a conditioner. In case if you have oily hair, then use a thin conditioner. And if you have dry hair, use a rich conditioner. In case if your hair is still dry after using a conditioner, use a leave-on conditioning serum. If you want to go natural, coconut milk is an excellent conditioner. Wash your hair with lukewarm water, as very hot water is harmful for your hair and scalp. This cold weather tends to make your hair dry and brittle. Always cover your hair before you leave the house. Use silk scarves instead of using woolen buns, as woolen buns lead to breakage, especially around the nape of the neck and forehead. Also, don't wear the scarf too tightly around the hair. Leave enough space for air circulation in the scalp. Avoid using hair dryers, flat irons and curl irons because these tend to work on the principle of heat, making matters worse in this weather. What you could do is, you could use a hair dryer with a cool setting which will help retain the moisture. Also, avoid using plastic combs and go for wooden brushes instead. These are used to fight the static hair caused by the absence of moisture. Also, this is a perfect weather you could go to a salon and get a protein treatment. So girls, now you know how to take care of your hair and skin this winter. If you have any tips that you swear by, do let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, share it with your friends. And for more of me, subscribe to Foam, Fashion on My Own. Bye. Moisturizers that contain butter and cocoa. No, butter. Honey and cocoa butter. Okay, you just said with school. Why did you say that? Also uses soap.
Thank you.
Tea tree oil and cocoa butter. Lips. Also, avoid licking your lips. Lips.
Okay.
Lips.